Nahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. You're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
Rudy po. You're describing someone called a generational candidate. Good luck searching for the third as it is. Kapag kami may nagsimula na rin mag-announce ng other candidates and then natapos tong impeachment trial, I really believe that there is still an appetite for other candidates. There probably a different perception ng taong bayan sa kung sino man ang paparating na panibagong kandidato. Kasi lahat naman po on the very start, we know that she is running for presidency. So hindi na siya bago para sa atin. I think lang ang magbabago lang dito, sino yung pwedeng pantapat sa kanya? Would it be still coming from the, sabihin na natin, Party of Dilawan, Loyalista, or the Pink Lawan? Or, di ba no, another party na pwede natin makita? Well, let's see. Makikita natin kung ano mangyari in the future. Wala naman nakaka-predict kung meron talaga tayong makikitang generational candidate. Wala tayong kahit even even do sa panahon ni Pinoy, example, kung makikita ninyo, one of the biggest issue that happened, kaya talaga nag-propel si former Pinoy sa candidacy niya bilang presidency is because nung namatay yung nanay niya, there's a outpouring of emotions, support na rin kay Pinoy at that time. And sabi nga 'di ba nung karamihan, nung time na yon bago mamatay si President Cory, Manny Villar was actually eyeing for the spot. Nakita natin from the survey, a lot of people were eyeing also for him. Marami nagba-box up sa kanya ng mga business people for his presidency. But after President Cory died, lahat nag-shift eh. Nobody even know. Kita natin from, I think, if I'm not mistaken, when I was checking on the survey at that time, Pinoy was being a candidate, I think 5th or 6th eh. After Cory died, he was propelled from second to the first spot ng mga survey firms before nung election. Kaya I think there's a possibility, a probability ika nga. Presidency is a destiny. Just like what happened kay Pinoy nung namatay yung nanay niya. Just what happened kay Duterte. Para sa akin, Duterte is a change candidate na parang hindi tayo nakahanap ng politically correct na kandidato eh. I think former President Duterte went over the fence ng pagiging politically correct na tao. Talagang, yung pagmumura niya, actingan niya, strongman attitude niya bilang president. Doon tayo nag-shift eh.